Oh, back like I never left. What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. And today we have the Jabra Elite 4s. Now, the hype is going crazy for these. They were just at CES. CES just happened, and on everyone's like website, like these are like the best earbuds. These are the choice pick from CES. So everyone knows Jabra makes pretty good earbuds, but we're gonna open these bad boys and test them out. I just got this the other day, so let's see what all the hype's about. So these are going for 120 bucks right now on Amazon. I put that link down in the description below so you guys can check that out. They do come in 3 different colors. They come in black, they come in white, and then a blue. So those are the 3 colors you can get right now. And I believe when you click the Amazon link, you are only going to see one color, but if you click right above where it says the Jabra store, you click that, you'll see their other colors of these earbuds. So let's see what they got in the box. You know, information about connecting and downloading their app. They got different ear tips right here. I don't think they went crazy with it. I think it's very simple. Let me see, do they have a lot? Yeah, very simple, not crazy like some places. Now you get your little different ear tips. And then you got your USB Type-C, little small one to charge up. Got your earbuds right here, the case for them, and pretty small, pretty sleek. Like it, I like it. And more paperwork. What is this? What's in here? Nothing else. That's it. All right, that's it. It's unboxed. So when it comes to the battery life of the Jabra Elite 4s, you're going to be looking at 28 hours total. Now, it says there's 7 hours worth of playtime in the earbud. Normally, I like to take like 2 to 3 hours off, depending on how you listen. If you listen to your earbuds full blast, I'm pretty sure that that battery is going to die quicker, because normally when they say it lasts this long, it's because they're playing it on medium or under medium volume. So, but I'll test that out and I'll let you guys know. And then the case has 21 hours, so that's how you get the 28 hours total. So you can, use them, and you can also use them in mono. So you can use one at a time while one stays in the case, and that give you way longer battery life, and you can use it all day, and one can always charge. So another thing that they say is 10 minutes of charging will give you 1 hour of battery back into the earbud. So that's really cool. Throw it in the case for 10 minutes and get 1 hour back into the battery, so that is really nice, or into the earbud, I might say. When it comes to the waterproofness of this, it's going to be IP57, I believe. IP57, that means water, rain, you're going to be fine. If it falls into the water, you're going to be fine as well. You don't have to worry about nothing. The 5 meaning it is dust proof, and it can handle a little bit of dust. Normally IP67 is like completely dust, no dust is coming up in here, but it's IP57, so you still got to be careful. Don't let it, too much dust and stuff get all up on your earbud. It might mess it up. So let's connect these bad boys. It says super easy connection with the 5.2 Bluetooth or whatever. So let's see what they sound like. Let's see what this hype is about. They're saying these are the best workout earbuds out there. So they're new, so let's see. Let's do a little first, in-ear test. Now, this style of earbud never works well with my ears. I normally need stems, but that's just me. I know all our ears are different, and styles fit different for us, but this is what it looks like on ear. Let me see it in the monitor. Doesn't look bad straight on, but yeah, here goes a little turn and a little on-ear look. But yeah, like normally this style, they'll fall on my ears pretty easy because I need like a stem to hold on there. These are holding up pretty good. The right one's not moving. I'm getting a little movement from the left, but I'm surprised it's not falling out. So it's holding pretty good. I got a little more movement on the left. My right one stayed in. It was pushed in a little bit more though. So far so good. So I'm definitely going to check these out at work and see if I have to keep touching them to keep them in. Like I said, the style of these earbuds and all these type of no stem earbuds really don't work on my ears unless they have like the wing tip that sits in your ear. All right, so I just downloaded the app and I want to update it. Right when you download, they walk you through it. Also, they have like a noise canceling thing on here where it lets you adjust the noise canceling to your left or right ear, whatever you need more noise canceling on. That's pretty cool. And also in the app, you just have your EQ settings, and then you can do the noise canceling and hear through. And also they have like music presets as well if you want to do any of that. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty simple and easy. The EQ gives you a nice little range from, the bass, the mid-range, and the treble, all that. So your highs, your lows, and the mids, you could adjust all that in the EQ setting. But now that we have it updated, We can finally test it out. Let's listen to some music and see what it sounds like. And she like, it don't matter. Ever since getting money, getting fatter. Call me Fat Joe, lean back with the platter. All right, so when it comes to the sound of these earbuds, it's so clean. The sound sounds so clean. There's nothing that's out of control. Everything is working amazingly together. The bass, the mids, and the highs, the vocals, the instruments, and the bass, they all work together. It sounds very clean. Nothing's jumping out of place, jumping out of the line of the frequency. I love it. They sound good. Volume wise, not the loudest. I even boosted the EQ all the way up. And it also props to Jabra for the EQ. Even with boosting them all the way up, the earbuds still compress the sound a little bit to make sure that it's still working just as clean. And then when I refresh the button, I hit the refresh button, it still sounded like the natural EQ just sounded better to me. I think the presets worked really good as well. That they have at the bottom down there, you can choose, speech, bass, bass boost, all that. I feel like that worked really well. So when it comes to overall volume, they are not blasting loud. So people that love blasting loud and ear bleeding headphones, earbuds, your speakers in your car, any of that, that's not these earbuds, and they are loud. So people like my wife doesn't like music loud. So these will be loud to her. So if you're one of those people, these are perfect for you. But if you like blasting loud, super crazy music, like all up in your ear, you won't get that with these. And that's mostly because of the noise canceling. One thing I noticed from reviewing a lot of earbuds is that when people do noise canceling earbuds, they always seem to be on the lower side. They don't have that blasting loud max. And it's just because it's like, hey, we blocked out the world for you already. You don't need blasting loud music. Let's protect your ears, all right? And that's mostly what we get from a lot of brands. Some people like Tozo, and they'll break the mold and still give you blasting loud and give you the choice to turn it down and noise canceling, but it's mostly the other way. It's mostly great noise canceling with no blasting loud, music, and it's understandable. They're trying to protect the ears, and they already blocked out the environment, so you don't need it that loud. But some people crave that sound. I'm one of those people. I like it really loud, but that's one thing you will notice from these volume wise. Now that being said, let's put the noise canceling to the test, and since they don't have max volume, let's see how good that noise canceling is. Normally we hit, like, I say how much bleed through. I always do percentage wise, and earbuds are really good at hitting, like, 90%, 85, 80 up, is really good. Normally 90 is what we get. We had a couple that seemed like they were just so close to 100% where they just blocked them out. I think the Anchor Liberty 3s were like amazing. They blocked out almost everything. So let's see if these can do these as well, because they're saying these are like great noise canceling gym workout earbuds. So let's test that out. All right, bud. So right here we got the big old Hyper Boom, and we're gonna play a song. I'm gonna listen to my earbuds with my phone, and the computer is gonna play a song on blasting loud, my face right in front of the speaker. We'll see how much these earbuds can block out with the noise canceling, since they're supposed to be great. Let's do it. So with the noise canceling, I want to say it blocked out about like 95, a little bit higher percent of the sound. The only thing that was really bleeding through was the hi-hats of this song. And the one thing I know about this song is the hi-hats get pretty high. So it's still, that was the only thing really coming in. I wasn't able to hear no words. I honestly didn't know where to stop the song, because there's normally a certain point of this song that we use for sound tests, and I have no clue where it was. So the noise canceling did really good. It blocked it out, and all I heard was mostly my music, other than the little hi-hats like bleeding through at the top. And this speaker, if you guys don't know, this speaker is super loud, and my face is right up in there. So these are gonna work for transportation at the gym, if you're on a plane, train, bus, in the public. If you want to block out everyone, these are going to get it done for sure. Like I said, it blocked out like 95-ish% of this speaker, and yeah, that's a win for the Jabra Elite 4s when it comes to noise canceling. All right, bud. So that's it. That was my quick little unboxing and checking these out, seeing what the hype is about. It, like I said, these were killing at CES, and every time if you type in CES and you go through the award winners and all these different websites, the Jabra Elite 4s were on there all the time. And like I said, these are going for 120 bucks. So I put the link down in the description below for you guys to check that out. And when you guys click that link, it does help my channel. I do get a little bit from it, not from your pocket, but from Amazon's pocket. You pay the same amount. But my overall thoughts is the sound is clean. I do like that. Right when I was listening to it, I was switching through different songs for a little bit, and I was like, it's giving me that clean sound on almost every song. Everything's staying under control, a nice little bass. I like the presets more than EQing it myself, which is rare. So I give them a thumbs up on that. And like I said, the volume might be a problem for some of you, but still, it is loud and you get great noise canceling and all that. So I hope you guys like this review, and if you guys did, check out my other ones right here, and you click on those and you might find something else you like. But to everyone that watched, thank you so much for getting this far. I'll see all you guys in my next video. Everyone be safe out there. My name is Rodney. This was Wanna Buy It. Peace.